So just like a circle, sir. Even here also there are so many important formulas here. So parametric equations of parabolas. So these are different forms of parabolas here. Then the parametric coordinate of this parabola y square is equal to 4ax, x equal to 80 square comma 280. This x coordinate, this y coordinate. So parametric equations x equal to 80 square y is equal to 280 because these two satisfy this equation here. So just substitute x equal to 80 square here and y is equal to 280 here, then you get LHS equal to RHS here. Therefore these are called parametric equation of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Similarly, the next parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax here. The parametric coordinate minus 80 square comma 280. The parametric equation x equal to minus 80 square and y is equal to 280 because again these two satisfying this equation here. So these are called parametric equation of the parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax. Similarly, other two also. So next equations of tangent to the different form here. First on the point form. These are equations of parabolas and these are equations of tangent at x1 y1 here. For this parabola, equation of tangent is y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1. This is a formula. So just observe that remark. Replace x square by x x1, y square by y1, x by x plus x1 divided by 2 and y by y plus y1 upon 2 in the equation of parabola. We get these equations of tangent here. Just observe here. Y square is there. Replace y square by y1 here. And for a, replace this x. Then replace x by x plus x1 by 2 here. So this 2 and 4 get cancelled. 2 and 2 to the cancel. 2a. So 2a into remaining is x plus x1 here. Similarly, y square is equal to minus 4ax is there. Replace y square by y1. Replace x by x plus x1 by 2. 2 and 2 to the cancel. So remaining minus 2 into x plus x1. This is a parabola. Replace x square by x into x1. Replace this y by this one here. Y plus y1 upon 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 to the cancels, 2a into y plus y1. Similarly, replace x square by x x1, replace y by y plus y1 upon 2, 2 and 2 to the cancels, minus 2a into y plus y1. So these are equation of tangent to the parabola at the point x1 y1 to these different parabolas here. Okay. So equation of tangent different form. Second form is a parametric form here. So these are equations of parabolas here, and these are the parametric coordinates, and these are equations of tangents here. Even you can use a previous remark also. Okay, if this is a parabola, in the previous remark replace x square by x x1, y square by y1 and x by x plus x1 divided by 2 and y by y plus y1 by 2. This is a remark here. Just look here, this is x1 and this is y1 here. replacing y square by y1 here, y into this one. Okay, just look here, y into 280. Okay, then this equal to 4a, keep as it is here, 4a. Replacing x by x plus x1 by 2. x1 is this here, so x plus 80 square divided by 2. Okay, this is x1. Consider this is x1, this is y1 here. X plus x1 divided by 2. Then the 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancels here. Then this 2a, this 2a cancels. Remaining is what here? Y into t. Ty is equal to x plus 80 square. Even here also replacing y square by y into this term is equal to minus pi, keep as it is here. Replace x by x plus minus 80 square divided by 2 here. 2 also 2 to the cancel. 2 cancels. Remaining is this equation here. So equation of a tangent to this parabola is Tx is equal to y plus 80 square. Equation of a parabola x square equal to minus 4ax at the point t is Tx is equal to minus y plus 80 square here. These are equation of tangent to these parabolas at the point t. At the point t means here these are the coordinate of point here. Okay, parametric coordinates here. So third form here, slope form, means here the tangent to the parabola is y is equal to mx plus cn. Okay, the equation of parabola is this here, y square is equal to 4ax, and consider y equal to mx plus c is a straight line here. It is a slope intercept form. This line tangent to the parabola, then this is the point of contact here. X coordinate is am square and y coordinate is 2am here. Suppose so this is a parabola here and this is the line here. Okay, then the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. Then this point of contact here, this point of contact is itself is am square comma 2a divided by m here. Then here condition is c is equal to a upon a here. If this condition satisfied, then only this line tangent to that parabola. Therefore, replacing this c by a by m here, we get this equation. This is also what here, equation of tangent to the parabola, which is a slope form. Then equation of parabola is this here. This is a point of contact and this is a condition here. If this condition satisfied, then only this line tangent to this parabola. Therefore, replacing this c by minus a by m here. Okay, we get the equation of tangent here. This is a slope form. Similarly, if this is a parabola, this is the condition here. Then replacing this c by minus am square here, we get the equation of tangent. If this is a parabola, this is the condition here. If this condition satisfied, this line is tangent to this parabola. So replacing c by am square, we get the equation of tangent here. It is a slope form here. equations of normals in a different form here. Point form. For this, we can use a differentiation method also, because suppose this is a parabola and this is a tangent, and slope of the tangent is usually denoted by m here, and a normal always perpendicular to the tangent at this point here. Then its slope should be minus 1 divided by m. And equation of a tangent to the parabola is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 here. And equation of this normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into bracket x minus x1 here. You just observe here, to differentiate this equation here. So y square differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx here, and x differentiation is 1 into 4a becomes 4a. Then 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancels here. Yes, dy upon dx is equal to 2a divided by y. And slope m at the point x1 y1 is given by, you just replace this y by y1 here. It is the slope of tangent to the parabola. Therefore here the slope of the tangent is this one, slope of the normal is this here. Minus 1 by m means m is this here. Take its reciprocal and multiply minus sign. So use here. Okay, take its reciprocal and take minus sign. So it becomes what here? Equation of normals. So we are using this differentiation method here. This is a very simple method. Similarly, differentiate this one. Replace y by y1 here, and take reciprocal and multiply minus sign here, and use this formula. We get the equation of tangent here. Equation of normal to this parabola at the point x1 y1 here. Similarly, this is the equation of normal to this parabola at the point x1 y1. This is the equation of normal to this parabola at the point x1 y1 here. You can use a differentiation method also. Very simple method here. So this is the equation of tangent, and this is the equation of normal here. So equations of normals in the parametric forms here. So these are equations of parabolas. These are the parametric coordinates here. And a normal at a t means a normal at this point to this parabola is y plus t into x equal to 2at plus at cube. Equation of normal to the parabola at this point to this parabola is this one here. So similarly other two also. You just observe right side terms are same here. Only left side terms are only changes in x and y, and this the signs here. If y square is equal to 4x, y plus tx is there. Y square is equal to minus 4x, y minus tx here. X square is equal to 4ay, x plus ty. X square is equal to minus 4ay, x minus ty is there. Right side terms all same here. So these are normals to those parabolas at these points here, at the point at t here. So next equation of normal in a slope form here. Again these are parabolas here. Suppose y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of normal here. If this is a normal to this parabola, then this is the point of contact here. And if this condition satisfied here, then only this line normal to that parabola. Therefore, replace this c here, we get equation of normal. Similarly, this is a condition of normality here. If this condition satisfied, then this line normal to this parabola. If we replace this c here, we get equation of normal here. Similarly, this is the condition. So use that c here, we get equation of normal. Again, this is a condition for normality here. Then replace the c here, then we get equation of normal. So these are all the equations of normal in a slope form here.